Time for another crust bucket drink to power you up. Short, respawn, Mocha. We're gonna make some Squid Ink Chocolate Sauce. I'm using Dutch processed cocoa, which is the only cocoa worth using in my opinion. It's very chocolatey. I'm also going to use a little bit of coconut charcoal, not for flavor, just to make the sauce black. But you can leave it out if you want. Measure out what you need. The recipe is in the video description, by the way. Also, a pinch of salt. Carefully place this whole mess in the carafe of a blender or a food processor. Okay, now in a small pot place sugar, water, and corn syrup. Bring to a boil. Now you can take it off the heat. Alright, now carefully pour the syrup into the open top of your blender. Turn the blender on low as you slowly drizzle it in. Blend for 1 minute. Cool. Now you can pour the whole mess into a squeeze bottle. Congrats! You made Squid Ink Chocolate Syrup. It's chocolate syrup, only sexy. Good for chocolate milk, ice cream, or straight out of the bottle. It needs to cool down before we can use it though, so lift it up and put it in the fridge. Alright, now we can make a mocha. Pull a shot of espresso. You can use strong coffee too. Pour it into a small bowl. Add about a tablespoon of your syrup. You can eyeball it. Whisk to combine. I'm using a matcha whisk, but you can use a regular one. Alright, in a measuring cup, pour some milk. I'm going to add a smack of color by adding some gel color, bright neon blue. Whisk until it's colored and set it aside. Grab your favorite 16-ounce cup, hopefully one that's clear. Drizzle your syrup along the inside rim so it drips down. Looks good and messy. Fill to the brim with small ice cubes. Now pour in your coffee mixture. Alright, now over a spoon, pour your milk in. Check out that cool gradient. Has there ever been a drink more aesthetic? I don't think so. Short, respawn Mocha is yummy. If you like that, check out my other Splatoon recipes. I've got a playlist. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow. Until next time, see you next week. Bye!